This is how to make a really good loaf. No fooling around. Guys, when it comes to bread, you can't use volume measurements like cups or anything like that. You gotta weigh everything. 500 grams of bread flour. And yup, even the yeast too. You gotta measure that properly. 2 grams. So here we're using active dry yeast, which needs to be activated. So to activate it, we're gonna put in water that's 100 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're gonna mix that in until it becomes nice and foamy. Now in goes some water and then the yeast that's ready and activated. I'm gonna mix it for about 20 seconds. Now at this point, gonna add a little bit of that ocean, 10 grams. Don't be afraid to get your hand up in there just to make sure it's all incorporated. It's gonna be a little sticky at first, but that's all cool. When it's incorporated like this, we're just gonna let it chill in the bowl for 1 hour. After your 1 hour rest, do 4 stretch and folds every 30 minutes. Just grab a side, stretch it up, and fold it over itself. Rotate the bowl and repeat all the way around. After the last stretch and fold, shape the dough into a ball and let it rest for 40 minutes. And if you don't know how to make a petard, just take the dough on the bottom, put it in the center, the sides go in the center as well, then take the top and do the same exact thing. Do 3 little braids so that you can secure it in place and then fold it over itself to make a little package. And place the seam side up in your proving basket. Now it's ready for an overnight cold proof for 12 hours. Listen, 12 hours is a good rule of thumb, but you'll know it's really ready when it passes the poke test. The poke test is when you poke it and then it comes back really slowly, barely filling that dent you just made. If you poke it and it comes back really fast, kind of like this, it's underproof, so put it back in the fridge. Or if you don't want to wait for the fridge, you can always just leave it out in the counter and wait until it passes the poke test there. Cast iron inside a 475-degree oven. Yes, the whole entire cast iron. Bread is a delicate baby, so be careful when laying it out. Ooh, girl. Dust the top with some rice flour, or if you don't have that, some normal flour. Scoring the bread ain't gotta be complicated. It's just like shaving. Watch. Whoop. That's all you need. Bake the bread inside the preheated cast iron for about 25 minutes and then remove it from the cast iron and bake it another 15 to 20 minutes. A bread looking this good, I know it's gonna be hard to resist, but just wait, trust me. It speaks. Don't cut it out of the oven. You can't do that. There's still steam in there that's setting the crumb. All right, y'all. I'm coming at you live with the live cutting. Ready? I'm nervous. Don't even tell me what it looks like. I already see the grilled cheese, the sandwiches, the dipping of the oil. Look at the way it springs back too. Ooh, I'm happy now.